In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put code into TradingView. We'll go through each step to ensure you can smoothly integrate your custom code into this powerful platform, adding a personal touch to your technical analysis. If you're ready, let's dive right in. To start, navigate to TradingView and open up any chart. This is your canvas, where all the magic happens. Look towards the bottom of your screen, and you'll notice a tab labeled Pine Editor. Go ahead and click on it. This section is where we'll be writing and modifying our scripts, so it's an essential part of today's task. Now that you've opened the Pine Editor, you'll need to create a new script. In the top right corner of the editor, you'll find an Open menu option. Click on it, and you'll see the choices New Blank Indicator or New Indicator Template. Select whichever suits your need. What this does is load a fresh template or an empty script for you to work on. TradingView makes it really handy by providing these templates, so you can start either from scratch or with a bit of help from the template. Once you have your editor ready, it's time to clear any existing code. Simply delete anything pre-existing in the editor to make room for your new custom script. With a clean slate in front of you, it's time to paste your code into TradingView. To do this, use Ctrl or CMD+V. This will paste your Pine script code directly into the editor. Make sure you've copied your code beforehand so you can seamlessly paste it here. Next comes an essential step: saving and applying your code to the chart. Look for the Save button, or you can use the shortcut Ctrl or CMD+S, which is a quick way to ensure your work is not lost. You'll be prompted to give your script a name. Choose something descriptive so you can easily identify it later. After saving, you'll notice an Add to Chart icon just above the editor. It looks like a little play button. Click this to apply your freshly minted code directly to your chart. And there you have it. Your customized indicator or strategy is now visible on the chart. TradingView should reflect the changes immediately, allowing you to see your script in action. This ability to customize your indicators is one of TradingView's most powerful features, offering endless ways to analyze market data according to your unique style and requirements. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide helps you unleash your coding creativity in TradingView. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading tips and tutorials. Happy scripting!